Hi, my name is Jessica Aragon. I'm in the Tech 10 class and I'm going to be doing the um, design build virtual reality video. So, the first question is, what is virtual reality? So, what is virtual reality? I'd start off by saying, they call it VR, is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, VR places um, use the user inside the experience. Um, Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact within 3D worlds by simulating as many senses as possible, such as like vision, hearing, touch, even smell, and the limits to near. Um, I'm sorry, I'm reading the script that I wrote to say this so I don't forget. Um, the computer is transformed into a gatekeeper to this artificial world. The only limits to near real VR experiences are the availability of content and cheap computing power. So that's what virtual reality is. It's a simulated world that makes us believe that we're in a different world. The next question was, how does it work? So currently VR headsets receive input from two different sources. That's an HDMI cable, and that's either connected to the PC console or the smartphone, because you can play from a smartphone or TV. The former applies to the headsets such as the HTC Vive and the Oculus Rift, while the latter is used with the Google's Daydream and the Samsung Gear VR headsets. You can also connect other devices such as head and hand tracking controllers and voice inputs to your VR headset. So once that's all ready on your VR headset, here's what's inside of it. So there's one of two screens per eye to receive two feeds, and as well as autofocus lenses that are positioned between the headset screens and your eyes. These can be adjusted depending on both eye movement and positioning. So all depends on what you're seeing. Their other functions include picture focusing and reshaping the each eye, and tilting 2D images to produce a stereotypic 3D image. And that also, the VR set has a minimum of not 100 or 110-degree field to view more immersive VR experience. As for the image produced by these devices, a minimum frame rate of 60 FPS is required to make it convincing without making it you feel super sick, because with 60 FPS it's running a more, like in a camera, if you're using 60 FPS, you're going to get more frames per second, and so it's not going to be so like wavy or laggy when you're turning it side to side. So each headset has to have at least 60 FPS or else you'll get super sick and motion sick. Anyways, so that's how it works. And then my sources that I use were marksandlabs.com and adorama.com. Thank you.